Today I'm going to be talking about red horses, the power of red horses, especially as we are moving from the year 2025 to the year 2026. 2025 is a year of Mars and 2026 is a year of Sun. So when we move from the year of Mangal to the year of Surya, the one energy which is a very, very potent energy is the energy of horses. Why? Because horses are a direct representation of Mangal energy and Surya energy, where they bring into our lives the brilliance and the authority of Sun, and they bring into our life the speed and the warrior energy of Mars. So as we progress, let's progress towards more abundance. When we bring these red horses into our lives, we are actually bringing success, fame and recognition, especially when we place them in the south zone of the house. This is a zone that is directly linked to success and fame and recognition, which means that whatever work you're doing, you're being praised for it and there is validation that is coming to you. Along with that, one thing that a lot of us don't know is that we actually symbolize Goddess Lakshmi's energy with the energies of owl. Owl उनके वाहन माने जाते हैं, and we say that it brings us wisdom. But there is also another energy of Goddess Lakshmi, which is the energy of red horses, and it is known that this is the energetic vahan of Goddess Lakshmi, which means that she brings a lot of abundance into our lives very quickly when she comes on a horse. So somewhere the horses not only just represent the Sun and Mars energy, they also bring to us the Venus energy of grace, dignity, pride, and a lot of blessings of Goddess Lakshmi. So this particular Diwali and this year, as the year is ending and we're moving into the new year, you must get your red horses. We have curated something based on Vastu because it does away with a lot of Vastu flaws that we feel, or a lot of stagnant energy that we feel in our lives. It is very gently curated by hand because we believe that everything should be authentic and done by hand. And it is absolutely created in sync with the kind of energies that we want people to have in their house. A gentle energy of moving forward. So what are you waiting for? Come buy yours from Garden of Miracles. You can visit our website gardenofmiracles.in and get your red horses before you enter into the energies of 2026. May the speed be yours, may the success be yours, and may the abundant energy of forward movement be yours.